Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review a really interesting thing, and I actually want to do this video earlier, but I don't have much time because I need to schedule a week's video come first. So this video is going now. So let's stop talking and we just jump right in the review. Okay, so the products that I want to review today is a product called Aliza. They are from alizanatural.com. So I'm quickly gonna tell you guys what the Aliza is. So this one is a face cleansing paper 3-in-1, and first a revolutionary 3-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover that gently purifies and hydrates the skin, leaving it georgiously soft and clean, free from artificial fragrance and color, gluten and ethanol alcohol. Aliza 3-in-1 face cleansing paper will transform the way you wash your face. So how to use it? Place 1 to 3 cleansing sheets in the palm of your hand, moisten with water and gently rub together until melted into a scale foam. Gently apply the foam to your face in the circular motion, right with water and pat. This product is recommended for all skin types like normal, oily, combined, dry and sensitive. From the day you open it, you need to use that between 24 months. I like it. I like to open new stuff. Here is how it looks like. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna open it. It looks like a actually a fancy mirror. So here how it looks like. It have no smell at all, which is a really good thing. And look at this. It's come with so many sets that I think I can use for like so many times. Let me see how many times they actually can use for. They don't really say like how many times, but let's have a try, okay? I already have a bottle of water here. As description, they said that put it to your hand and apply with some water. Oh my gosh, it transfer. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm so, the paper just disappear. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I need to see how it's actually work. It's turned into foam. Like, I'm soaked. I'm literally got soaked. Let me apply it into my skin. I don't know how many paper that I actually need to use, so I just like apply a little here. Oh my gosh, let me see. You can see, yeah, it's still the paper. And look at this. It's fucking gone, guys. Oh my, look. It's literally gone, like gone. I am so impressed, guys. I'm still so like, what the hell? What? Like still paper. Wait. What the fuck does happen? Look at this. It's gone again. Oh my. So exactly how it said in the description, that you spray some water on, gently massage with both of your hands, and then just put that in your skin, and then just gently massage it into your skin. I don't know how they done this, but this is really easy to carry on when you like traveling and you don't really want to like carry a bottle of like cleanser and your makeup remover. It feels really nice. I love it. This is really soaking, guys. It is left like really easy to remove my makeup. Normally, yeah, I need to like go through with a lot of things. So normally I need to go with like oil remove makeup, and then after like I clean the first layer, I'm gonna use this one and I clean it again. But this is so easy, literally so easy for me now. It's even make it more impossible. My eyes makeup it sticks to my eyes like forever if I'm not removing it. Right now, I'm gonna give it a try for my eyes. It's a paper and it transfers to from like, what the fuck, like it's paper, guys. It sounds like paper as well. Look. I don't know what they put in here, but it's amazing. I need to read the instruction more. I need to actually read the ingredient. That's what the hell they put in there. Let me show you guys, okay? Wait. It's the hell is gone. Like it's such thing, turn it to another thing and it's gone. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay. Holy, it's cleaning my makeup off. Oh my god, this is insane, guys. Clear everything. Did you actually seen this? Okay, quick thought of mine. Even I haven't removed all my makeup yet. Having Aliza or Aliza. Okay, Aliza, you done a fucking amazing job, girl. Oh my god, this my makeup removing games, it totally changed from this day, and my mind is phew. I got a mind blow, guys. Oh my god, Aliza is a fucking approved for me, and it's amazing, awesome. I'm gonna repurchase myself when this finish is actually paper. It look like something you go into church and then the priestess put that in your mouth. Oh, who the hell don't want that? Like literally, I'm dying. I'm sick. Okay, I'm gonna remove the rest of my makeup and I'm going to put some skincare. And that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want me to try on some other new products, just leave the comment below and let me know. I really like to try new things, so I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye bye.